Noah was the fastest culinary student in his entire school and the most frustrated. Every time he cooked, he chopped too quickly, stirred too aggressively, and turned the heat up too high. And every time, the same thing happened. Burnt chicken, overcooked pasta, sauces that tasted more like smoke than flavor. But Noah kept telling himself, real chefs move fast. Fast means skill. One afternoon, after burning yet another pan of vegetables, Noah slammed his spatula on the counter. "This is impossible," he shouted. A calm voice behind him replied, "Son, you ain't cooking. You're sprinting." Noah turned around to see Chef Lawson, a gentle, wise Southern chef known for dishes that tasted like home. Chef Lawson walked over, picked up the burnt pan, and inspected it with a sad little smile. "You're rushing the food. Food don't like being rushed." Noah frowned. "But the great chefs on TV move fast." Chef Lawson chuckled. "That's TV, boy. Real flavor takes its sweet time." He placed a fresh pan on the stove and lowered the flame. "Watch," he said. He added onions, letting them sizzle softly instead of aggressively. "Listen to that. Slow sizzle. That's the sound of flavor being born." Noah leaned closer, watching the onions turn golden instead of black. Chef Lawson continued, "Attention, patience, presence. That's how you cook. Not by fighting the food, but by understanding it." Noah felt something click inside him. Maybe the problem wasn't the ingredients. Maybe it was him, his speed, his pressure, his desire to be great overnight. He looked at the chef. "So, slowing down makes me better?" Chef Lawson smiled warmly. "Slowing down lets your greatness finally catch up to you." The next day, Noah cooked differently. He chopped carefully. He stirred gently. He breathed. And for the first time ever, his dish came out perfect, rich, warm, flavorful. Because he finally understood. Greatness, like good food, can't be rushed. It has to be nurtured, one slow, mindful moment at a time.